Is your Pinterest feed not updating or showing new pins? Here's how to fix it. Start by ensuring you have the stable internet connection. A slow connection may prevent your feed from loading properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if this resolves the issue. Check if you are logged into the correct Pinterest account. If you are using multiple accounts, it's possible you are viewing the wrong feed. Clear the Pinterest apps cache to remove any corrupted files that could be causing the error. Try restarting the Pinterest app or your device. This can refresh your feed and allow it to load properly. Finally, check if Pinterest is experiencing any server issues. You can do this by visiting their official social media accounts or website for updates. Sometimes the Pinterest feed may not load if you are following too many boards or have a cluttered feed. Unfollow boards that you no longer find interesting to help refresh your feed. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.